We've developed an articulated work rest system for the KMG-TX. The key to this system are found in these links. They have indexable locking levers. The handles on these levers can be rotated to any position that is convenient for the user. When the links are tightened up, they generate very, very high clamping forces. Using multiple links allows the ability to infinitely set the work rest in just about any position on any of our attachments. This work rest system, combined with the tilting feature of the KMG-TX, really opens the doors to the possibilities for the craftsman. Here's just an example. We can take the small wheel attachment and quickly convert it into an amazing horizontal edge finishing machine. The possibilities are endless. This is what the package looks like. This is the tooling arm that fits into the receiver on the body of the grinder. You'll get a couple of these links. They'll have a locking lever and they accept 1-inch diameter shafts. The shafts are made out of steel and you'll get a couple of those. This is a 90-degree knuckle and the work rest table. We mount a 1-inch shaft on the back of the work rest table. And then from there, the parts all fit together like a puzzle. There's an infinite combination of ways to put it together, and you're only limited by your imagination. So have fun with it. We hope this tool is going to be very useful to you and provide many, many years of service. Thanks for watching.